Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well and is safe. And so this particular lecture is just going to be dealing with the cluster analysis class activity that we have. Just want to show you how to do it. So this is our SPSS file right here. And so we have the data view and variable view. Remember with variable view that if you expand the values and if you're looking to see what does one mean, what does one mean for income, let's say, you can come here and you can click and see what each number denotes. So if your income average is 7.2, then it means that the income average for your participants was 60,000 to 69,999. And so it's just important to be able to do that with political affiliation. Again, a mean of 3 doesn't mean anything, but if we click here, oh, a mean of 3 is slightly liberal. So be sure to click on values here. That is a way in which you're going to be able to answer some of the other questions here. With cluster analysis, what I want you to do is I want you to run a two-step cluster right here. This is easier to create, it's easier to produce. And so what we can do here is we have these variables that are asked for, and you can see it here in the group activity. I have the variables here. This is what's being asked for, so you can plug them into the continuous variables box. And so you'll hit continue. This is what is produced. And so you can see here we have 6 clusters. The cluster quality is fair. It could be better. There could be better separation, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Let's double click this. And so this is what is produced, and this is what I wanted to show you. So this gives us a little bit of information about the composition of the cluster groups that we've created. So we have cluster sizes right here. We have size of smallest cluster, largest cluster, ratio. So it's important to have a pretty good breakdown. For the most part here, we've done well. We have one cluster that's a bit bigger, but by and large, everything else seems to be between 12 and 17%. So if we come over here, we can click on clusters. So come down here, click on clusters. And then here, we can see that we have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know why the order is out of character here. I believe that it is grouped by population size. And so it's a little hairy here, but that's just how it works. What I want you to do for this particular question is I want you to look at cluster 6, cluster 5. Tell me what's going on here. So you can look through the means and such, but tell me who the composition, who is in the group. You can look at one column here, look at these attributes, and then one column here, look at these attributes. Get a sense of who these people are. I want you to describe the customer profiles that have been created here. And so that really wraps that up. As stated, you will be receiving a recorded cluster analysis video as well to help you along, a lecture that is, and that should be posted fairly soon. And so this video is being posted first, and then you'll have the lecture as well, which should help you understand what a cluster analysis is. Thank you guys very, very much.